Good day, students. In this presentation, we will discuss Lesson 2 Food and Health, topic Vitamin and Mineral. It's very important to know this topic in present situation. In previous video, you have learnt about component of food and their importance. Let's revise the topic from previous slide. Already discussed three kinds of food, that is energy giving food, body building food and protective food. We have also learned about carbohydrate and fat that are also known as energy giving food, and they give energy to do various activities that we do at home or at school. Next we have learned protein that are also known as bodybuilding food. Next we have learned about vitamin and minerals. They are also called protective food because they protect us from diseases. They are found in fresh fruit and vegetable. Today we will learn about vitamin and mineral, their sources and how they are beneficial to us. Our body needs vitamin in small quantities. Fruits like tomato, mango, watermelon, guava, papaya, kiwi, strawberries, citrus fruit are rich in vitamins. We should include all such items in our food as they keep our immunity strong. There are many types of vitamins that are needed by our body, such as vitamin A, B, C, D, E and vitamin K. But now we will learn about vitamin A, B, C and D. Let's start from vitamin A. We get vitamin A in fruit like banana, watermelon, tomato, peaches, vegetables like spinach, pea, sweet potato, etc. The food products which are containing vitamin A are very good for eyesight and healthy vision. Deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness, and this is also known as moon blindness, which result in inability to see clearly in dim light or in the dark. So students, you have to take proper amount of vitamin A in your diet for your healthy skin and good vision. Now next vitamin is vitamin B. Students, you can get vitamin B in milk, cheese, egg, meat such as chicken and red meat, dark green vegetables such as spinach, broccoli and fruits like banana and avocados. It is required for healthy skin and proper functioning of nerves. Students, lack of vitamin B causes a disease called beriberi. It is also known as thiamine, which affect our nervous system. So we have to focus the product which are rich in vitamin B. Now let's discuss on vitamin C. All citrus fruits like orange, limes, lemon are rich in vitamin C. Kiwi fruits, berries, guava, broccoli, tomato are rich in vitamin C. It is needed for proper functioning of blood vessels, for keeping gums healthy and for healing of wounds. A type of disease called scurvy happens when there is lack of vitamin C. Slowly healing wounds and painful swollen joints are the main symptoms of scurvy. Vitamin C is also required to build up our immune system. So student, for keeping our immune system strong, we all have to take the product which are rich in vitamin C in your daily diet. Now, next we will discuss on vitamin D. Foods which are high in vitamin D are fish, egg yolk, meat, cereals, milk, Deficiency of vitamin D is causes a disease that is rickets. Rickets is a disease of children caused by a lack of good food that make the bones become soft and body formed, especially in the leg. Do you know, students, our body also make vitamin D in the presence of sunlight. And vitamin D is also known as sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D helps our body to use calcium for strengthening our bones and teeth. Like vitamin, our body also needs some minerals for staying healthy and active. It is also required by our body in a small amounts. So first we will discuss on calcium. Sources of calcium are milk product, peas, fresh broccoli, fish, broccoli, meat, etc. It keeps our bone healthy and strong. It also plays an important role in contraction of cardiac and skeletal muscles. Next mineral we will discuss, that is phosphorus. Foods rich in phosphorus are milk, egg, mushroom, green leaf vegetable, soya bean, etc. It is an essential nutrient for plant and animal. It also keeps our bones and teeth strong. Our next nutrient is iron. And iron rich foods are soya bean, oatmeal, eggs, bread, green leaf vegetable and red meat, chicken, turkey. Iron is very beneficial to us as it regulates our body temperature, it boosts our immunity, it helps in hemoglobin formation. A person who lacks iron causes a disease called anemia. Our last mineral we will discuss, iodine. Iodine rich foods are egg, yogurt, milk, seafoods, seaweeds, strawberries, etc. If children and grown-up don't get enough iodine in their diet, they might develop iodine deficiency. This can cause the thyroid gland to increase in size, and this disease is called goiter. In this picture you can see a case of goiter. So student, this presentation was based on vitamin and mineral. I hope you all have understood the topic, and in order to keep your immune system strong, you will consume the product discussed in this presentation. Till then, eat good, feel good. Thank you. Have a nice day.